Hi everyone, this is Huell Howser with another special episode of Rotary on the Road. Today I'm standing in front of one of the most iconic buildings here in West Sacramento. It's IKEA, and inside this building lives the current president of the mighty Rotary Club of West Sacramento. Today we're going to walk its halls and see if we can find Heine's new replacement, because Heine is about to be demoted from the Rotary Club. So follow me and let's take an exciting tour of IKEA Rotary on the Road. Come on. I'm Huell Howser. Can you tell me where we can find the great and mighty Heine Roikjer?
I lost my house back in 2008. I had one of those balloon mortgages. I got it from that Troy Bird fella there at Comstock. I've been trying to find my house ever since.
Well, say, why don't you follow me and let's see if we can find Heine's replacement. Come on, follow me.
Toto 2?
Toto 2. Come on, let's go. So here we are in front of a map of IKEA store, and somewhere in this maze, we don't know where, is Heine. Hi, I'm Huell Howser. We're here with Rotary on the Road. And I would like to ask, do you know where we can find the most powerful Heine Roikjer?
We represent the Rotary Club, the Rotary Club, the Rotary Club. And in the name of the Rotary Club, we demote Heine Roikjer.
And who is this most powerful replacement for Heine? Where can we find him?
Follow the yellow arrows.
Follow the yellow arrows?
Follow the yellow arrows.
Follow the yellow arrows. Follow the yellow arrows.
Follow the Rotary Road.
Follow the Rotary Road.
Follow the Rotary Road.
Follow the Rotary Road.
Follow the Rotary Road. Follow, 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 follow.
Follow the Rotary Road.
Well, who's this? Say, can you tell me where we can find the great and powerful Heine?
Follow the yellow tape road.
Hey, I'm Huell Howser, and we're looking for the great and powerful Heine. Can you tell me what direction he might be in?
He might be that way. Or he might be that way. Or he might be that way.
Well, I'm thoroughly confused now. Let's try this way. Follow us. Follow the yellow tape road. Hi, I'm Huell Howser. Can you tell me where we can find the great and powerful Heine?
I'm frozen. My lower extremities I can't feel. Can you get me that bottle of wine to lubricate my joints?
Sure. Oh, here it is. Go ahead and let's see if we can. Whoa! By golly, this is Wilson Vineyards Petite Syrah. Now selling for $14.99, regularly $16.99 at your local nugget markets. Say, let's go. You can follow us, and we're going to go find Heine's replacement. Come on.
Great.
Let's go. No. You've had enough.
If I was king of the forest.
Hi,
Hi.
I'm Huell Howser, and we're looking for the great and powerful Heine. Do you know where we can find him?
I'm afraid I have no way to know how to get out to the patio to find the Swedish meatballs or my harem of beautiful Rotary ladies.
Oh, maybe the powerful replacement of Heine can help us find out where he is. Come on, follow me.
Let's
Yellow
go.
tape road.
Hey, boys. Hey, you. Are you a good interviewer or a bad interviewer?
Well, I'm Huell Howser, and of course, I'm a good interviewer.
The answer to Heine's replacement has been in front of you all the time. All the time. All the time. All
Yeah. Oh, okay, thanks.
You're welcome.
Bill speaking. Hey, how you doing, Heine? You're being demoted? What'd you do wrong? No, who's that going to be? Me? I was never approached. I was never even asked if I wanted to be president-elect. In fact, if people recall this, I never even formally joined this club. Oh, man. Oh, well, that's kind of exciting, though. I'm kind of honored here. Well, perfect. Oh, perfect. This will be really good. Now, but you know what? I don't speak Danish. Really? Well, you know what? I bet I could get my wife to organize a vacation. As long as you'll be step in for me when I'm actually in. I'm going actually to Copenhagen, I think. I'm going to arrange that so I can learn some Danish here. Okay. Well, all right. Well, I guess I better figure out what I'm going to do as president then. All right. Thanks a lot. All right. Bye. Whoa! Gosh darn, this is what I've been looking for the last 30 years. All right. This is... Follow the Rotary Road. Follow the Rotary Road.
Come back.
It'll be okay. It's gonna be okay.
It'll be okay.
It's gonna be okay.
Okay.
It's gonna
Heine, congratulations on your one-year term as Rotary President of the mighty Rotary Club of West Sacramento.
Now, back to work, Heine.
So, tell me, what would you like to ask of Heine?
Oh, the Tin Man wants a heart.
Yeah?
Oh, if I only had a brain. I just want my home. The lion wants some courage.
And I just want this whole video to be done with.
I could while away the hours, conferring with the flowers, consulting with the rain.
Come here often?
And my head I'd be scratching while my thoughts were busy hatching. If I only had a brain, I'd unravel every riddle for any individual in trouble or in pain. With the thoughts I'd be thinking, I could be another Lincoln if I only had a brain. Oh, I could tell you why the sea is near the shore. I could think of things I never thought before, and then I'd sit and think some more.